Welcome to Dillsboro, North Carolina, everyone. A quaint town where the train still runs on rare occasions. The Smoky Mountain excursion train has steam engines, and I've done a video on that. But yeah, it's a pretty neat little town. And I'm Richard. Yeah, I'm Richard. Look at that. And I'm Richard, your videographer for today. Yeah, I do YouTube. So as I was saying, train still runs here. You can actually walk across the track because, well, it's an excursion train, and I guess they want you to be able to get over to the restaurants here. There's a Depot Pizza, and got some little tables out here. They got clean restrooms if you're never in this area, and lots of little quaint shops. I wonder if I can zoom out and get a wider view. Now, my parents first moved to Franklin, North Carolina. Well, this was the main road. Let's take a look at that. It's not very wide. Got some pretty flowers here, but the road itself is not very wide. I'd say that's probably about 8 feet. Can you imagine if this was the main road and you met a semi truck coming through town? Yeah, not a lot of room. The tracks do have a little bit of a shine to them, not much, because the train only runs on occasion, and mostly that's, I think, in December when they have the steam engines running. I don't know, they may have an occasional one here. You can look on their website. I'll try to remember to list it at the end of this video. I've got another one. I've got another video of when the train was here by the end of December. There's a little coffee shop. In fact, I might grab a cup later. But yeah, this was the main road here, and this little bridge to the left is where the highway went. It's now turned back into a one-way road, but it was the road. This was the highway, the 441. And the train came more often back then before trucks got to hitting the highway, probably in the 50s, much more. But looks to me, and I'm pretty sure, this might have even been a one-way bridge time. Although 2 cars could pass, I guess. They've added a walkway here. And they got some nice signs saying, "Do not enter." But there's the creek. And there's a new highway, 441. It actually is 23. Yeah, it's still 441. It goes to Cherokee. 23 goes to Asheville. And the train signals here are still active because the trains do come through here. Like I said, got a lot of little quaint shops here. Carolina's Southern Peddler. We got the railroad signal. And the old Dillsboro store over here. There's other stores all around this block. The Jarrett house up there has just been refurbished. It's just about to open up. It hasn't opened up already. I see lights inside. Let's zoom in on that. They remodeled that. Yeah. There's a little sign here. Got some murals. Folks having coffee. Local roast coffee. It smells good. I may have to come back and get a cup of that before I leave. Quirky Bird's Tree House in Bristow. Yeah, I can't pronounce that, but I'm not French. Massage Salon. Some quirky birds on the window there. Look at that. The Front Street Takeout. Quirky Bird's right there. Looks like a nice little restaurant. Maybe I'll eat there later. And I got the Budweiser man here. Yeah, brewery's quite big here. And the Foxborough of Dillsboro. Interesting. Getting ready for the 4th of July, 250th anniversary. And yeah, they got a lot of stuff going on there. Got some little flags here. USA t-shirts. Bunch of goodies here. And they're open. Look at that. And they keep it pretty well decorated up. Little flowers here and there. And trees. Let's see. They got Dillsboro Chocolate Factory. That sounds good. And the front porch has lots of antiques, it looks like, over there. Back over here, Depot Pizza. I tell you what, they got a Christmas shop. There's no shortage of places to eat here. Haircuts, Jill. They're closed today, but looks like they're open. You still get, look at that. Cash only, no cards. Don't want to mess with that thing. I don't blame it one bit. I like cash. Mountain Gourmet, souvenirs and gifts. And they are open. Sign says it all. Lazy Bear General Store. Let's get some little spinners here. Tunnel Mountain Crafts. Innovation Station. Yeah. Inlow House. Wine and bar. Oh, I think this is part of it over here too. A cowboy boot. I didn't know what that was at first. I guess because they sell steak. And a little bit of a stump here. I'm stumped. Look at that. Nice entryway. Rustic, right? And a Boots Steakhouse. Don't appear to be open. They got an open sign. I don't know. Let's see if there's anybody inside. Looks pretty dark to me. Don't look like there's anybody but me. And here's some more of that fancy work. And of course, the good old American flag. Oh, look at there's a pathway. Let's walk up through there. An old shoe shine stand. Can you imagine that? I remember when that was active in town. You were in the city, you could stop and get your shoes shined. You sit up there, the shoe shining man would shine your shoes. How about that? Now, there's a tack room. For all you horse people. Equestrian. Well, look at this brick walkway, and I wonder what that is. Huh, you tell me. It looks like a light, maybe? I don't know. Got some air conditioners making a racket. Some really rustic wood. Another piece of stump. Now, I smell barbecue here. This is a really good barbecue place. I may change my mind and go there for lunch. Yeah. I just probably will do that. And across the street, the Red House. Vacation property. But the road went down over here. You'll see a diagonal road over here. Where that car's going right there. On the other side where that building up the hill was a little bigger hill, a little flatter land, there was a big old super test station. Y'all remember super test gas stations? They were all over the South. And I can remember my dad stopping there and getting fuel. Oh, they got a little library here. Wonder if there's anything good in there. I may have to drop a few pieces out off here sometime. This is the visitor center. And they got some flowers out for you. A little mural. And there's a bus stop. Bus stop? Jackson County bus. Another mural. The artist. And a signal. I'm not crossing the street, so it don't matter. And where you can find out all about the town. Lots of brochures. Yeah. Jackson County. Yep, super test station used to be right up there. But that part of the road been redone. And we're back down towards Innovation Brewing. There's the R&R Tavern. And there weren't any taverns here back then. Yeah, it was all dry county, I'm pretty sure. At least not, I'm pretty sure. I got a nice little cowboy girl hat for the girls. Can't see the sign. I have to look around here and turn around one more time. Oh, maybe I can go across the street and see it. Let's see. See if I can get across the street without running into anybody. Maybe we can see the sign. Nope, they got no sign. Look at that. I don't know what that place is. Well, we tried. Oh well. See that half a mountain up there? Used to be a whole mountain. About 2005, they got off half of it. And that's what's left. Kind of like a beak of a bird or something. So, if you're up in North Carolina near Sylva, there's this little town of Dillsboro. And it's got a lot of little amenities you might want to check out. So, in the event you're coming up this way, it's a good place to travel to. Stop and enjoy, especially if the train's in. You can look at that Smoky Mountain schedule and capture the train sometime, as I have. See you later.